Good morning, and we're getting ready to slide into afternoon. Not quite, but close. Judy, Allan here in San Antonio, Texas with Adventurous Stamping, and I also do Zoe and Nana Stamping with my granddaughter. So today I want to tell you a little bit about myself and what we do, all right, so you get a better understanding. So I've created for a very long time. I've created my children, my grandchildren, and my great grandchildren, believe it or not. And you know what? I always enjoy it. And one of the things getting into adventurous stamping is with Stampin' Up. I've been creating, my granddaughter and I've been creating cards with Stampin' Up for about 4 years now. And about a year and a half ago, decided to become a demonstrator, because I enjoy teaching, I enjoy sharing, and enjoy creating, right? So it's a great way to create, to share as you visit and create together. And then you turn around and give it to somebody else. And that's what I really loved more than scrapbooking was so I could make something and give it away and make somebody's day. You'd be surprised how by giving somebody a handmade card can make somebody's day. Do we just make cards? No. We do 3D projects and we do those from time to time. There's a number of different things that we do. And they're out there on our YouTube. You can go out there and check our YouTube, Zoe and Nana Stamping / Adventurous Stamping, and you can see where we've gone and created other things besides cards and see what we do. So what I wanted to do was just give you that brief background on myself as well as what we do. So I have 4 children, I have 3 grandchildren, and I have 2 great-grandchildren with possibly future grandchildren along the way in the future. So that's what I love. And I enjoy creating. And I started with my granddaughter with Paper Pumpkin because it was something her and I could come together once a month and do live on Zoe and Nana Stamping. And it was something that I could teach every Friday with Teach Me Nana and demonstrate how you can make alternatives to what was in the kits. So the kits are nice because we could carry them wherever we went and had everything in the boxes that we need. But besides kits, whether it's Paper Pumpkin or kits, the other thing I love to do, and we do this at our retreats. At our retreats, we create 18 cards in a 3D project all in one day, and in the evening we do bingo. So I love doing retreats. It's a great time for us to come together and all have fun together, and we have a very fun day. But we also make cards, and I do this every Wednesday live at noon on Facebook. And let me show you what those cards look like just to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. So here is an example of Keep It Simple or Step It Up that I do every Wednesday at noon. And it's usually about 30 minutes or less. This was one day. Here was another day. What you see here on the right here are samples of cards for our upcoming retreat. Or maybe one might be from a previous retreat. But just to give you an idea of what we do. And so when we sit there and do all this creating, especially with the retreat, it comes with a PDF tutorial as well as a YouTube video. And in the background here, you might be able to see them. Let's see here in the background. Here's some other examples of some cards in our upcoming retreat. As well as here's a 3D project that we're going to make at our retreat also. So we do a retreat once a quarter. And I just wanted to show that to you because this is what we call a tool caddy, and it is a 3D project. So we do a retreat once a quarter. We're fixing to have our next one on May 7th, and then the one that we'll have as our summer retreat will be on July 31st. I believe that is. It's a Saturday, 30th or 31st, whatever the Saturday is. But what we do is we do it live via Zoom. There's a handful of people that come locally, and everybody else is on Zoom. And we just have a day of creating and sharing. People can ask questions. We have door prizes. We have pre-retreat challenges that get you ready and warmed up for the retreat, that you make cards, and we do a prize patrol and give out prizes from the retreat challenge if you sit there and made some cards. But 18 cards by the end of the day, 3D project, and then at 6 o'clock p.m. comes bingo. And bingo is always exciting and wild. It's usually $25 of gift card that you can go shopping. And the blackout is usually however many extra bingo cards are purchased, and it's usually at least $100. So there you go. That is Adventurous Stamping because life is an adventure. And you know what? Why not go out, create, share, and give, touch someone's life and make a difference for them. That's what it's all about. All right? So be blessed. Have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining in. And I hope you will follow us on Facebook, Adventurous Stamping. Facebook also on Zoe and Nana Stamping. And also, we are on YouTube. If you'll follow us there, we give out door prizes for that also once a month. That's Zoe and Nana Stamping Adventurous Stampin'. And then on Instagram. So, see you later. Be blessed. And thank you.